What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now you guys may be wondering, why is there so many fallen tree limbs around me? And that is because the answer lies on Instagram. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, it's King Customs, obviously. I'll leave the link in the description for those of you who actually don't follow me, so you guys can see. I got someone to cut down the trees in my yard because they are a nuisance and we don't need them here. But anyway, I figured I'd do another nature walk and talk with you guys. This one is for the ladies and the gentlemen, the people who actually don't understand much in the car field, the ones who go to the dealership and get upsold on everything. This is actually one of those videos to help prevent you guys from overspending and getting ripped off potentially. So what are we going to talk about today? So basically, if you go to a dealership and the dealership tells you, okay ma'am, okay sir, your car's almost ready. We found a few problems with it. One, your cabin filter is clogged. Your air filter is bad. Your spark plugs may need changing. We won't 100% know until we go into it, but due to the mileage, it is recommended that you replace them at this mileage. You also need a transmission flush, and you're just thrown away by all of this. You don't even know what to do. Your bill goes up to like $3,000-$4,000. You have no idea what's going on. Let me save you guys from something. First off, cabin filter. What is a cabin filter? It filters the outside air. Filters the outside air from the dirt and the pollen from getting into your cabin so you can breathe fresh air while you're driving. It also helps with the air conditioning and so on and so forth. You don't need to pay for that. You do need to replace it though, and I have so many videos showing you how to replace it. That is something that you can actually replace with no tools, just your hands. Some vehicles may require a screwdriver, and that's about it. In most cases, a Phillips head screwdriver, that's about it. But for majority of vehicles, I believe Hondas, some Toyotas and stuff like that, you just need your two hands. Once you pop it loose, you just swap in the new filter with it, and I have so many videos teaching you guys how to do that. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it linked here or in the description below. Next, air filter. The air filter helps the engine breathe. That also filters out all the dirt and the pollen, the leaves, whatever's outside from going into your engine so your engine can perform in great health. Basically, the air filter is like the nose hairs in the human body. Goes in, filters out all the dirt, comes into your lungs, fresh air, carbon dioxide comes out, which is the exhaust. That is easy to change. Sometimes you need a little socket and a ratchet. Boom, you can get it free. Sometimes you don't need anything, just your hands, because it's just clips holding it in. Sometimes you may need some screwdrivers, Phillips head screwdrivers to be exact. Not hard to change. I actually have videos on my channel showing you guys how to do that. I'll link it in the description below and in the card up here as well. Next thing, spark plugs. Do you need to replace those? Eventually, yes you do. Do you need to replace it right away? Is your car misfiring? No, not at all. Then don't do it. If your vehicle is at the recommended mileage to replace them, that's completely up to you if you want to do that. Someone like me, once it hits 100K, I replace it just to save myself from ever getting into a misfire. But if your car's not close to 100K and your car's 80K and the dealer's recommending you change it, you don't have to unless you have a misfire or something. Unless there's something that's indicating that they see it's terrible, that you need to replace it, then go right ahead. Now, I'm not telling you guys to replace it yourself because that does get a little more invasive into the motor, and if you're not 100% comfortable, then you may not want to do that. You might want to pay for that to be done. But it's actually not that hard, and I do have videos showing you how to do it, which I will link in the description and leave in the card up here as well. What else did we talk about? Transmission flushes. Transmission flushes. First off, a lot of places really don't even do the flushes like they say. They just drain and refill and make you think that they're doing the flush. I'm not going to say all places are like that. Some places actually keep their word. But you do have a lot of sketchy people out there, so they do sketchy things. Now, what I do to prevent my transmission from ever going bad is I replace the fluid every 30,000 miles. Dealer wants it every 60,000 miles or 100,000 miles. No, every 60,000 miles. I'd take that back, 60,000 miles. I always replace, drain and refill my fluid at 30,000. The next 30,000 I do a drain, refill. I do a drain and refill, and I also replace the filter in the transmission, which is dropping the oil pan. Obviously, before refilling, you're gonna change the filter and then refill. At 60,000 I do the filter, and the drain and refill. At 30,000, I just do a drain and refill. Transmissions have never went bad on me one time. And because I'm doing early maintenance, you can never hurt it. You're protecting yourself. You're protecting your vehicle that takes you from point A to B. So don't get caught up in the dealership telling you that you need this, you need that. They scare you. They try to make you do things. A simple cabin filter, they charged, last time I was there, $89.99 to do one. Probably went up due to everything else going up in the world today. Last time I was there, air filters, $69.99. Probably went up. You don't need to do that. Go to Walmart, go to the dealership itself and buy the part from the dealer. Pay for the part, do it yourself and save yourself the time and the money. There are things that you can do yourselves. Get involved into your vehicles. Know what things are. Know what to look for. Save your money. You work so hard for it. Don't go and throw it away. A lot of mechanics might be getting pissed at me for that. Honestly, I don't care. I owned a business before. Mobile auto repair business. I had a shop before. And I never once ripped my customers off. And I'm not saying that's ripping your customers off. But for me, if I ever had to change an air filter or a cabin filter for my customers, I charge them 20 bucks to do it, and that's it. And even then I thought that was too much because it took 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes of my time. So I always gave them the option, you could do it yourself and I'll show you how to do it. It's not an issue. No man, you go and do it, I'll just pay for it. Okay, no problem, $20 to do it. Beats $69.99. I'm getting something, they're getting something, they're happy. So a lot of wind out here. Don't get caught up, okay? And you guys, I want you all to feel comfortable when you go into the dealership. I want you all to feel comfortable saying no to certain things because you know you can do it better. You can do it yourself. You actually know how you're treating your car. I have videos teaching you how to do it. It's so easy. You can also talk to a trusted friend who's done it before, have them show you guys, and learn what your vehicle's about, learn what you have. You never know when that information comes in handy where you may need it one day. Learn about your car, guys. And I hope this video helped someone. If it did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video with a friend and family if you think it'll provide them value just as it provided you as well. So I hope you guys have a great day and I hope you enjoyed this little nature scenic route. Hopefully there's no snakes here. Apparently I found out today we have pygmy rattlers in Florida, whatever the heck that is, but they are poisonous, and once I know that they rattle and poison, I don't like it. And I'm always in here bare feet, I don't know why. But with that being said, guys, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace out, and I love y'all. Peace.